What if I told you there's a way to make money even while you sleep? But, is it really better than the money you actively work for? Today, we're uncovering the truth behind passive and active income, and which one will actually get you to financial freedom faster. Hey everyone, welcome back to Prince Sam Official, your go-to channel for all things wealth, personal finance, and financial freedom. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of passive and active income, breaking down their pros and cons, and helping you decide which one is the true key to financial independence. 1. Understand active income. Active income is the money you earn through direct effort, like a 9-to-5 job, freelancing, or running a business where you're hands-on. You trade your time and skills for money. Sounds simple, right? But the catch is, you stop working, you stop earning. 2. Understand passive income. Passive income, on the other hand, allows you to earn money with minimal ongoing effort. Examples include earning from investments, rental properties, or businesses like vending machines. It's income that keeps flowing, whether you're actively working or not. 3. Pros and cons of each. Active income, reliable and immediate, but limited by the hours you can work. Passive income gives you more freedom and can grow over time, but often requires upfront investment or effort to set up. 4. Which one is better for financial freedom? While active income can provide short-term security, passive income is the game changer. To achieve true financial freedom, you need streams of passive income that allow you to reduce your reliance on working actively. 5. How to start building passive income today. Start by investing in assets like stocks or real estate, creating digital products, or setting up side businesses like vending machines or soap-making businesses that can run with minimal effort. 5. How to start building passive income today. Start by investing in assets like stocks or real estate, creating digital products, or setting up side businesses like vending machines or soap-making businesses that can run with minimal effort. So, which is better? The truth is, both active and passive income play important roles in your financial journey. But if you're aiming for financial freedom, passive income is your ultimate goal. The more streams of passive income you build, the closer you get to breaking free from trading time for money. Now it's your turn. Let me know in the comments, do you prefer active income or passive income? And what's your strategy for building wealth? If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tips. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, Prince Sam Official loves you all. See you in the next video.